All right. Here we are, 2014 FIFA Panini World Cup Prizm. I'm going to mix all those words together. Panini Prizm World Cup. Use them all as one word. So we're breaking from a fresh case tonight. We're pretty excited about that. Our last few cases have yielded some really awesome hits. So we're looking forward to it. So let's open up this fresh case here. Let's see what we have. Tonight, breaking half this case tonight and the other half tomorrow. So you'll be able to bid on the other half right now, actually. Stores.ebay.com/JaspysHobbyland. So here we go. Look at all these beautiful Prizm cards here. I'm going to roll the dice. Top row here will be 1, 2, and 3. Bottom row will be 4, 5, and 6. Dice, here we go. And it's a 5. So we're going to be doing the bottom row tonight. And the top row we'll do tomorrow. So just to show the numbers for the, like we did last time, we're going to do the numbers for the top row here so we'll know what we're doing tomorrow. So we'll be doing these tomorrow. If this one wants to focus.
There you go.
51, doing the last two digits tomorrow. Doing 1-1 tomorrow. We'll be doing 86 tomorrow. 32 tomorrow. 83 tomorrow. And the last box we'll do tomorrow, it will be 79. So those are the boxes we'll be doing tomorrow. These bad boys are the boxes we are doing tonight. Alright, tilt that down a little bit. Alright, here we go. Good luck, everybody. As most of you guys know by now, if we pull a Fans of the Game card, an Andrew Luck, or a Kobe Bryant auto like we did last night, then that will be randomized to everybody, so everyone will get a chance to get those. If we pull matchup cards, those matchup cards will also be randomized, top or bottom, at the end. And all the city cards and the mascot cards will go to Brazil, per usual, per tradition. And before we start here, we'll show off the list. Some familiar faces, some new faces here in soccer. We like that. Hello, new people. New people, you can follow us on Twitter at JaspysHobbyland.
Get the peanuts out of
Instagram at JaspysHobbyland. Just Google Jaspys Hobbyland. I'm sure you could find everything you need.
Got a sheet over here, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right. So here we go. Soccer. A lot of the international stuff ended recently. Let me tilt this camera down just a little bit more. Ended recently, so that got us really pumped up about this soccer stuff. I'm going to flip through the base cards, and then we'll stop at the hits, obviously. Our cases have been loaded lately, so we're looking for a lot of autos to come out of here. We always seem to be getting some really good color cards as well. It's Clint Dempsey's, Fellaini. Busquets, Shaqiri, Wayne Rooney, Götze, Modric, Rafael Marquez. It's a nice little matchups card there. Like I said, we'll randomize those off at the end. Josie Altidore. Another matchups card that will randomize off. Iker Casillas. World Cup All-Stars, Frank Lampard. Danny Welbeck had a couple goals for England recently. I believe there was some Africa Cup of Nations action that happened today. I think they're still trying to debate whether where they're actually going to do the Africa Cup of Nations.
Wacky Packers break? I don't know.
What's that?
Bad wants to know when the Wacky Pack break is.
When the Wacky Pack break is? We should talk to our Wacky Pack expert and see if we're going to make some of those happen.
Money.
No, we don't break. It's too wacky to break.
Too wacky to break, says the boss.
Do some bench warmers.
Could do some bench
It's too
warmers.
hot for that.
Scandal.
Weren't we talking about doing like Pokemon cards or something too? Break those.
I don't know about that.
Celebrity cards.
That'd be pretty fun.
So even
Celebrity cards would make sense, kind of.
could do celebrity cards.
We went with the bottom tonight. The dice determined the bottom 6 boxes.
Ooh, and
that's a nice one.
here's our first auto of the day from the Netherlands, Marco van Basten. It's a nice looking auto for the Netherlands.
No problem.
So that's a really cool auto. That's our first hit for the Netherlands. Going to Edelstein. And here are the rest of the base cards from that pack there.
I think he's short printed auto. I haven't seen autos. Too.
Yeah.
A lot of his
That's
autos.
a cool auto. There's his countryman Rafael van der Vaart.
Ooh.
Giovanni Dos Santos. And we got a nice blue here of Chicharito. Javier Hernandez. Nice blue card there. These blue guys are numbered to 199. The camera's not going to focus on that, but you've been in the breaks. You know they're 199. And these are the other 3 base cards out of there. So we got a blue Chicharito, Javier Hernandez, and we got a Marco van Basten.
Nice way to start.
Good way to start. Great way to start. Ashley Cole, Paulinho, Wayne Rooney again.
Hopefully we have another 7 auto case like last 2 nights.
Like last 2 nights, yeah. For some reason, we've got really lucky with the autos here, and we've been pulling great autos left and right.
Well, last case had a Ronaldo and a Kobe.
Ronaldo and a Kobe. That's right.
And some
That's kind of
Mario
insane.
Kempes, Diego Costa.
It was all over the place. It was crazy. Every time we thought we were done with the autos, I feel like we pulled another one. Hopefully that's what we're going to find in this case here as well. So almost done with the first box here. Already pulled nice auto and a blue. And there's a red right there of Rui Patricio. The red ones are numbered to 149. So that's cool. Rui Patricio.
Yeah, I think the last Netherlands hit was the Schneider.
Yeah, the Wesley Schneider auto that we had last week, and these
So
are
they
the
were
other
kinda
base
due.
cards.
Makes some sense.
All right, last pack here.
No, we had a 2 auto box last case.
Yeah,
Got
what do you
that
do?
little weird Charlton that was mixed in.
The Bobby Charlton that was mixed in there.
It was like glued to the back of a card.
Yeah,
So
kind
you
of
couldn't
stuck
see it
there.
at all.
What Panini's doing, but we'll see. Maybe they just kind of shoved all the autos in there all at once.
Yeah.
All right, next box here. Here we go. Some Schweinsteiger there. A matchups card, Franck Ribéry. Iniesta, Korea national team. Courtois. Eden Dzeko. Podolski. There's our mascot there. That goes to Brazil. We pulled that power gold of this guy.
Yeah.
4 out of 5 or out of 5 or something like that yesterday. That was really cool. Armadillo, we learned on Wikipedia yesterday.
Triple digit.
Yeah, I know, seriously, that Armadillo's going to sell for triple digits. It goes for like 200 or something like that on eBay. Well, we've seen...
The last one sold for 2... Ooh,
oh, we got another auto here.
Uh-oh.
Good thing I caught it.
Saw a P.
You saw a P?
In Brazilian colors. Uh-oh. Oh, maybe I'm wrong.
Oh.
Still Brazil.
Still Brazil.
Ooh, that's a nice one still.
Ah, Roberto Carlos. Nice. Didn't we just pull a Roberto
I think
Carlos
so.
the other day, too?
Yeah.
There he is. Roberto Carlos. That's to Brazil. And who is-
Gabion.
Gabion. Cleaning up on the breaks from Jaspy's Hobbyland tonight.
I thought it was a P. Look, the R mistaken me.
Oh, man.
Let the excitement get
We-
the best of me.
Hey, but this is good, too. This is a classic Brazilian player right here. That's a great auto. And here are the other 3 base cards from that pack. 2 autos already. Hopefully some more to go. Looking for more color. We've been pulling a lot of great color cards. Pulled that 1 of 1 a little while ago. Diego Lugano.
It's funny, okay? Your 5th Carlos. Wow. That's a lot of Carlos.
Paulinho. I see a blue there. Shinji Kagawa. And Guardians. Russia. Igor Akinfeev?
Akinfeev.
Akinfeev?
Akinfeev. Oh, no.
Well, he's a Guardian anyway. Blue. Blue cards, as we know, are numbered to 199. There we go. Looks like Gabion also has Russia, huh? And these are the other 3 base cards in there. Moving right along. There's Busquets, some more Guardians, Iker Casillas, Karim Benzema. Cesc Fabregas. Royce, Arturo Vidal, Falcao. Pulled a Falcao autograph this week too, yesterday. Landon Donovan, there's another matchups card there. Antonio Valencia and Franck Ribéry. It's Joe Hart there, Samuel Eto'o, Gervinho, Diego Forlan. Oscar pulled his auto. Another blue card looks like. There's Endo. Timmy Cahill from Australia. If you guys have a moment, go to YouTube or the FIFA website and look up Tim Cahill's goal in the World Cup. It was kind of amazing. One of the most amazing ones I've seen in a long time. It's out of 199. Angel Di Maria, Socrates, Patricio. It's a great one.
Messi's.
It was. Oh, the Messi goal was great too. The Tim Cahill goal, I believe, was like in an early round or like a late round. They were already out of it, Australia, and that match was being played early in the day. So not a lot of eyes were on there, but it's one of the best goals that I've seen. It's Wayne Rooney, De Rossi, Clint Dempsey, Kalou. Götze, Rafael Marquez, Hulk. Josie Altidore, Aerial Assault, Mario Balotelli. After the international break, Premier League action happening again this weekend. Pretty excited about that. We'll be getting some Premier League cards in the next few weeks or so be sure to keep an eye out on our eBay, stores.ebay.com/JaspysHobbyland, or Twitter, at Jaspy's Hobbyland, and we'll be sure to announce when all those Premier League cards will come out. We're looking forward to it. I think they're going to be great. And we'll be breaking a lot of American football, basketball, all those things. So we're gonna. I know we've been breaking a lot of World Cup lately, but we've got a lot of great cases
gold.
coming up.
Wow.
Gold
Nice one.
of Yaya Toure.
Number to 10.
Yaya Toure for Côte d'Ivoire.
Those are tough to pull.
Very tough to pull. These are out of 10, 8 out of 10. Yaya Toure gold for Côte d'Ivoire. Yeah, absolutely. And looks like Things O'Plenty has pulled this really nice Yaya Toure card. His brother Colo Toure, both of the brothers used to play together at Manchester City. And another thing you guys should YouTube is the Colo Toure, Yaya Toure soccer chant that they have. There's Manchester City fans had a really great Yaya Toure, Colo Toure chant. Look that up on the YouTube. Guarantee it's hilarious. Next box. Here we go. Lucas Podolski, Pizarro, Rafael Marquez, Nani, Brian Ruiz. Busquets, Cup Captains. Wayne Rooney, Daniel De Rossi, there's Tim Howard, Gervinho, Diego Forlán. Götze again, Rafael Marquez, Didier Drogba, Angel Di Maria. Jose Altidore, Luis Suarez. Thiago Silva, Tim Cahill, Edin Dzeko, Frank Ribery. Michael Bradley there. I think a lot of people blame Michael Bradley for the U.S.'s poor showing in the World Cup.
Not bad.
Wasn't that bad? I think there were a couple. There were a couple just like individual plays that he. Like he would play a great game. Would play a great game, and then there'd be like one kind of biggish mistake that would sort of undo him, and it was kind of frustrating to see. I think we could have beaten Portugal. I think. But
and all close games in the NBA tonight.
Yeah.
We got 92-90, 86-88, both finals. And then we got 95-95, 87-86, 92-92.
A lot of close games. We've got totally certified NBA in our eBay store, so check that out if you're a fan of the NBA.
Gabion got some nice cards.
Gabion got some really nice hits today. There's City card that'll go to Brazil.
From the NBA.
Stores.ebay.com/Jaspy's Hobbyland. Be breaking some more boxes of totally certified basketball tomorrow night, along with the last half of this World Cup case as well. And we have a lot of individual cards in our eBay store. Lots of things happening in there. Royce, oh, another auto.
Wow.
Let's see what we got here.
Portugal.
Pepe. Pepe from Portugal. Oh, it's a nice looking auto there.
Yeah, it is. I think that's short printed too, maybe. Gotta go in a little closer.
Can't really. Come on, camera.
Maybe tilt it forward and then. There you go.
There we go.
Gotta tilt that forward and then you can pull it back.
All right.
And then down.
And down. learning how to get this to focus here. But that's nice autograph
Another
right
hit for
there.
Things Aplenty.
Yeah, things of plenty with another one.
Go along with the.
And here are the other three. So that's
We'll
three.
be on our way to another 8
That's
auto case.
3 autos, right?
Red, I think.
Is that a red? Oh, that is a red. Nice for Cameroon. Nice red team card. Red ones are numbered 2149. That's a good one there. The other 3 cards from that pack. So pulling, we have what, 3 autos so far?
Autos, a gold.
A gold, pulling all sorts of color everywhere. Portugal, Yaya Toure, Gonzalo Higuain. It's all really exciting here. Joe Hart, Oscar, pulled an Oscar auto the other day. Endo, Bierlo. It's another matchups card that we'll randomize off to the top or the bottom. David Silva, Cavani, Schweinsteiger, and we got a green crystal there, pulling a lot of color here, of Matt Hummels, green crystal.
Germany.
It's for Germany. And that's Gabion, looks like. Matt Hummels, and the green, these green cards are numbered to 25.
Those are my favorite out of all the
Yeah,
colors.
the green looks really nice.
I like the Power Gold a lot too. I think I like the Power Golds better than the 101s, to be honest.
Yeah, they look nicer, don't they?
Yeah.
We've seen a 1 of 1, a Diego Lugano 1 of 1, and I have to admit that it didn't really look as impressive as some of the golds that come out. But there you go. Nice green crystal came out of there. Here's some more there. Dempsey, Germany team card, Pepe, Victor Moses. So that was a great box. Onwards to the next box. Got some good-looking cards here. Good-looking case. There's Van der Vaart, Giovanni Dos Santos, Aerial Assault. Busquets, Wayne Rooney, Buffon, Daniel De Rossi, Götze, Pique, Marquez, Cup Captains, Figueroa, Ashley Cole, Paulinho, Cristiano Ronaldo, Frank Ribery, Shinji Kagawa, Cesc Fabregas, Diego Lugano. I think they're coming after us. If you guys hear that siren in the background, don't worry, we're all right. Royce, City card, that'll go to Brazil. Arturo Vidal, another. I saw some light blue there. I'm a little excited about that. I'm going to keep that in the back there. So we got Benzema, Galou. Got this matchups card here of Arjen Robben and Philip Lahm. Let's see what this is. Oh, let me bring this up. Pale blue. Mario Kempes of Argentina. It's a nice auto there. Mario Kempes, classic Argentinian. It's a nice looking card. And that's JTN 8723. Nice job. Good auto. Really nice auto there. Josie Altidore. Michael Bradley again. There's that siren again. Essien. Mesut Ozil. Ghana. Sergio Aguero. Nani. Nigel de Jong. Brian Ruiz. Vincent Kompany. Inler. Donovan. Ooh. It's a nice blue cup captain card there for Philip Lahm. 2 P's at the end of Philip. 90 to 199. Nice blue cup captain's card for Philip Lahm. It's the other 3 base cards here. Moving right along. Andres Guardado, Joe Hart, Nigeria, Pablo Zabaleta, Luke Wilkshire, Jermaine Jones, Dirk Kuyt, Eric Abidal, Eto, Nagatomo, Sergio Ramos, Kempes again, Didier Drogba, Lionel Messi. Daniel Sturridge should be back in action for Liverpool this weekend, hopefully. Sami Khedira, Ochoa, the Australia national team card. Oscar, Endo, Brazil, Eduardo. Like I said, we'll randomize the matchups cards at the end. We'll also recap the hits at the end too. We'll recap the big hits at the end, and of course we'll have this break up on YouTube. If you go to our website, jaspyshobbyland.com, at the navigation bar there should be a YouTube link there that you can click and go straight to our YouTube account to check out all of our breaks, past and present, and where you can catch future breaks as well. Nice red for Giuseppe Rossi there. Classic Italian player, Giuseppe Rossi. These guys are numbered to 149. 115 out of 149. Nice. Giuseppe Rossi, red. The other 3 base cards out of there. Next up, Clint Dempsey, Cristiano Ronaldo. All right.
Nice box.
Nice box. 2 boxes left. Still a lot of action to be had. We'll post pictures of our big hits on Instagram at Jaspy's Hobbyland, Twitter at Jaspy's Hobbyland. City card, I'll go to Brazil. Higuain. Buffon, Per Mertesacker. Mario Balotelli. Hopefully he'll start scoring goals for Liverpool soon. Julio Cesar, Eduardo Vargas, Cavani. Dirk Kuyt, Neuer, Pepe, Falcao. Jack Wilshere, Neymar, Victor Moses. There's Rossi there, David Villa, nice matchups card there. Gervinho, Diego Forlán. Thomas Müller, Angel Di Maria, Socrates. Alexis Sanchez doing wonderfully in the Premier League. Shaqiri should have been in the Premier League. Maybe next season, maybe next summer we'll finally see the Swiss international make his way to England. Otherwise, he's going to be playing behind a lot of superstars at Bayern Munich. So I'm not sure if he's going to get too much playing time. The youngster might have to wait a little while, and I'm not sure if he's willing to wait a while. So maybe Shaqiri will find himself in England sooner rather than later. Jermaine Jones, Cup captains. Sergio Ramos, Daniel Sturridge. Chiellini. Cadera, another City card. I like the way those City cards look. There's Ochoa there. Bengalio, another matchups card. Iniesta, Franck Ribéry. David Luiz, Hugo Lloris, Sergio Aguero. Tim Howard and a nice green crystal.
Wow, Ivory Coast again.
Didier Drogba. Didier Drogba recently made his way back into Chelsea there. Nice hit for Cote d'Ivoire. Things owe plenty. The nice green crystal. These guys are numbered to 25. Oh, 12 of 25. Just one off of his international number here of 11. But that's a nice green crystal of Didier Drogba. It's a nice looking card. There we'll recap all these hits at the end, and here are the next three base cards. Nice job, Things of Plenty. Yeah.
Things of Plenty with the gold too.
Yeah. Nice hit. There's Piqué there. Steven Gerrard. Samuel Eto'o. Philip Lahm. Net finders. Cristiano Ronaldo. Certainly does find a lot of nets. That guy. Xavi Hernandez. Arhem Robben. Dani Alves. Matthew Ryan, and a nice purple here of, oh boy.
Orestes
Karnezis?
Karnezis. We need a Greek.
We need a Greek here. But 96 out of 99. These purple cards are super cool as well. Look how animated he looks. He's very happy about this. Something happened.
Has not been taking the World Cup.
Yeah.
Qualifier versus
it's a nice purple card there.
Denmark.
And then got a few more base cards here. Last pack of the second to last box. Let's see what we have.
His name's Okay.
Okay. Robin van Persie, Steven Gerrard, Luis Suarez. Luis Suarez and Steven Gerrard, former teammates at Liverpool, of course. Last box of tonight. Remember, this was the first half of the case. So if you want to, we're sure to have a few more autographs in this case.
At least
so
two.
Be sure to visit stores.ebay.com/Jaspy's Hobbyland, where you can buy into tomorrow night's break for the Prizm World Cup. So onwards to the last box. What will we pull? What will we not pull? I almost kind of wish we don't pull anything big, just because I want the anticipation of tomorrow, the excitement of knowing that something's going to happen in tomorrow's break. I think that's going to be exciting, but we'll see. That's the name of the game. Whatever happens, happens. And after we bust open the last pack, we'll recap all the hits. We've got some nice ones today. And we'll randomize the top and the bottom. It's Michael Bradley again, hello. Buffon, Cavani.
There's no more of that one pack in the box anymore.
Yeah, no, I think I'm getting better at opening them now. I have had some trouble early on in my breaks, but now I'm getting used to it, figuring out the little ins and outs. All right, just a handful of packs to go. Again, we're opening the last half of this case tomorrow night. So stores.ebay.com/JaspysHobbyland is where you want to be. Get in the action. Rafael van der Vaart. Oh, another auto there. And that's Tim Howard. Timmy Howard. Probably one of the greatest goalkeepers that the U.S. has ever seen, or maybe we'll see.
Another hit for Things Aplenty.
Things Aplenty again? Things Aplenty cleaning house. That's a nice Tim Howard auto there. Tim Howard taking a break from international play, but still with Everton, still blocking shots and saving goals. This is a nice card here too. Of Buffon. Nice red, 128 out of 149. What a great player, this guy, for Italy. Nicely done. Paulinho, Kagawa, Guardians.
Two auto box. What?
Another crazy case.
Another crazy case. This case is really loaded, guys. I mean, I'm telling you.
Two autos and
I think I saw the name already, but
oh my god!
But it's another hit.
Are you serious?
For Cote d'Ivoire. That's another hit for Things Aplenty. Wow. Is Things Aplenty in the room right now?
Yeah,
this is amazing. Didier Drogba. Great striker for Cote d'Ivoire. Ageless wonder. It seems like he's been playing for a million years, but I don't really see him age. There's that auto right there. That's a good-looking one right there. Plays for Chelsea as well. There's the other three. Plays for Chelsea as well. I think a few years back, Chelsea came to Los Angeles for an exhibition match against a Korean team. I believe the Suwon Blue Wings. And they played an exhibition match and saw Didier Drogba score a goal for Chelsea. So that was pretty special, even though I don't really like Chelsea.
Ooh.
Still good to see. Matchups card. We're gonna randomize those off at the end. Wow.
You must know someone on the assembly line.
Hey, well, that might be the case. Got some color here of Eden Hazard. Nice blue of Eden Hazard there. Blue cards. This is a nice low number too. 20 out of 199. Eden Hazard. Chelsea. There's Nani. There's Aguero. All right, last pack, guys. Thanks so much.
Maybe third auto in this box?
Maybe third auto. Let's pull all the autos in here. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, at Jaspy's Hobbyland is our Twitter. At Jaspy Hobbyland is our Instagram. Stores.ebay.com/Jaspy's Hobbyland is where you can bid on your teams for tomorrow. We're doing basketball tomorrow.
Yep, basketball and soccer.
And more soccer tomorrow. Last half of this case will be open up tomorrow. And the way things are going, we're going to probably pull maybe a zillion or two autos out of there. So here's the last pack for tonight. Oscar, Yashito Endo, Gigi Buffon, Brian Ruiz, Ahmed Musa, and Vincent Kompany with his Good Company restaurant back home. So that's it for us, guys. We're going to do the randomizing really quick. Let me do the recap really quick. We've got a lot of great ones today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that 6 autos? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 autos? Wow. 6 autos here, but first let's start off with some color here. We got Matt Hummels, Green Crystal for Germany. It's a great looking card. Cote d'Ivoire really cleaned up today. Look at that. There's a Green Crystal of Didier Drogba. Yeah, he probably just scored a goal right there. Nicely done, Cote d'Ivoire. Green Crystal.
He's a net finder.
He definitely is a net finder. And
FIFA.
Yaya Toure, also for the Ivory Coast. Nice gold there. These golds are numbered 8 out of 10. That's nice. Good job, Cote d'Ivoire. Things aplenty. Cards aplenty.
Yeah.
Cards aplenty for this guy. Plenty of autos. Marco van Basten, Netherlands. Orange. Nice auto there. Roberto Carlos, Brazil. Nice auto. Is that it's like a big, thick, permanent marker. It seems like he used there. Maybe like the dull one. It's a good auto. Pepe from Portugal. Nice auto there. Adding the number there. Good number 3. Classic Argentinian Mario Kempes. Great card there. Classic American Timmy Howard for the United States and for Everton. It's a good auto there. And last but not least for tonight, another Didier Drogba there of Cote d'Ivoire. That's a great autograph, great goal scorer. Plays for Chelsea unfortunately, but we won't hold that against him. So great job, things aplenty. A lot of great cards there.
A lot of other winners too.
A lot of other winners. A lot of good color there. We're gonna randomize off the the matchup cards. So stick around for that. Nick will be handling all that. So thanks very much, guys, for watching the break. Remember to go to stores.ebay.com where you'll find a lot more of soccer cards and other breaks. So keep an eye on that. Thanks, guys, and have a good night.
Alright guys, we're going to randomize the non-numbered matchup cards. No numbered matchup cards tonight. So we're going to randomize between top and bottom. That's how we'll determine who to ship the matchup cards to. So roll the dice, see how many times you're going. Going 8 times. Good luck. Top and bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times are going? Going 8 times. 7 and 8. Going to the top teams. So thanks everybody for joining. Have a good night. We'll hope to see you back tomorrow for this crazy case. See what else we can pull. Maybe a 1-on-1. Last time we had a Kempes, we had a Ronaldo auto. So maybe it's a foreshadow or something. But hope to see you guys back tomorrow and have a good night. Thanks everybody.